mm, everything, age is just, I mean, it's just a number. My only thing is that I want to always be fit to take on whatever, old age brings. I want to be able to do what I have to do, whether it's go to set also at 70, 75. I want to keep
85,
working, 85,
90,
all
yeah.
my life. I want to do that. I want to be able to bend to, pick up my grandchildren. I want to be able to do things and not be dependent on someone or a stick. I want to. So for that, I need to eat right with her guidance. I need to have mobility to work out, not, to look, good. It's not about the way I look. It's about the way I feel. And that's what, for me, aging and life is. So I love it. I'm embracing it, but I'm taking all these particular things, like eating ghee, eating khichdi, doing a little bit of weight training for muscles, strength training, walking a little, my Surya Namaskars, doing my little work on my own rather than, I'm spending time doing all of this rather than, skin treatments and Botox.
Who's the better cook, you or Saif?
No, he definitely.
Chef, yeah.
I don't know. I think males make better chefs. I don't know.
Yeah. So it's
Somehow.
like, I think she's the next brand ambassador for gender neutral kitchens, for people cooking often, for people eating as a family with children. So I think it's important.
I mean, at least he cooks better than me.
Yeah.
But that is for sure. Because I don't know. I can't even boil an egg. I don't know. I don't think it's also to do with interest.
Yes.
Like my comfort food, like if I don't eat khichdi for like 2-3 days, I actually start craving it.
Really?
Yeah, I'll message her. I'll say, there's no khichdi in this diet. I can't sleep in the night. Like you're saying, ke, you need a drink. I'm like, I can't sleep. I've not eaten
Dal
khichdi. Yeah. So I'm like, Rujita, there's no khichdi. Can I eat? She's like, yeah, of course. Shito is a...
Karina, do you know I've never heard a Punjabi say they like khichdi. Only Bengalis like khichdi. Do you know this? I've always heard Punjabis say khichdi is for when we're sick. And Bengalis love eating khichdi. They eat khichdi when it rains, right? So they think it's a treat food.
Yeah,
you're
but my cook is like exhausted because he's like, because she'll make you eat the same food like for 10-15 days. Like I'm eating like, okay, khichdi, dal rice, I don't know, dahi rice. He's like, what am I cooking? But I can like be really happy to eat khichdi at least 5 times a week, which I think works, and it's somehow it keeps me happy with that little dollop of ghee.
Look here, madam. Thank you. जा तू भी जाता go team yes come together yes हो जाएगा